Today, I think I'm gonna put some lettuce in the ground under the hoops. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garden. It is, well, hey, here's Lila. She's out here helping today. It is getting toward the end of March. We're warming up. And I gotta show you my lettuce. Check this out. So there we go. Using the cheap side of the camera right now because, well, got home from work. I will be running out of light. Oh, look at that. But I'm gonna pop this lettuce in the under the hoops right there. We have one more night where it's saying it's gonna be down into the 20s, and I think that the hoops are gonna be okay. Where is the camera here? Oh, there it is. I usually never record on this side, but I think it's gonna be okay. But it's just getting so big I can start picking out of the tray. But hey, I'm gonna get my dipper out. I gotta get my watering can up. Still have to put a little bit of water there. And I'll show you after these guys are in the ground. This is just going to be a real short snippet. Whew, here we go. I can't wait. First plants in the ground for 2023. Okay, guys, here is the lettuce. Got a good root system. I just popped this one out. Now, this says, according to what I did, this is iceberg lettuce. It's not looking like it to me. I'm gonna pop some rows. I don't know if I'm gonna plant it all. I'm gonna put I'm gonna put 4 rows down there. So let me get some of this in there. Okay, guys, run out of light. It's getting kind of cold. Maybe shouldn't have done this today, but spin you around, show you what's going on. Look at that, thin in the trays. I still have some seedlings, but right here we have a couple rows of rocket, arugula, if you will. 2 rows of spinach. We have Grand Rapids. 2 rows of what the damn package said iceberg, but they don't look like iceberg to me. And right here we have black seeded Simpson. So I did just get my watering can. I did just water those in. Yeah, we are working. So I'm gonna get this hoop closed, retain some heat. Fingers crossed, it's gonna go down, they say, into the 20s tonight, but this is a little protected right here. So seedlings need to go out. I thought it was gonna warm up a little sooner than what it did. But hey, from the garden, this is Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.